guys are having a great day. I'm doing well myself. It's been a while guys. Yeah, I've been a bit busy here and there doing some one or two things. Well, today I want to show you how to lose that belly fat quickly, like two simple ingredients, very simple. This is lemon and this is ginger. Yes, because I have started my keto, I've started my weight loss journey, which I'm recording, and I'll be sharing with you guys in a while. Just keep watching my videos and you'll get to see some of those videos which I'm going to share with you guys. So today I'm going to share you this magic drink. We all know the benefits of lemon. I cannot even stress about this very fruit right here, this citrus fruit. Is everything else. Of course we know ginger, right? We have ginger have a lot of property. Combine these two items together, you have a great you have something great in your body. I mean, it really does a lot in your body. I'm going to leave the benefits of lemon and ginger down in the description box, so you can go ahead and check it out. So yeah, of course you will need your ginger and you will need your lemon. Wash and clean, right? So for the ginger, what I do, I normally do my ginger paste. I just wash this ginger like this. I don't take out the skin and I grind it. So whenever I want to do my tea, right, I just take 1 spoon. I just scoop from here. I don't have to go and slice and grind, you know, another process. So I'll be using this grounded ginger right here, and I'll be using this 1 lemon. Now of course this is my water. This is 1 cup of water in the pot. I'm going to put this to boil. You know, I'll put 1 spoon of ginger into that water, and I'm going to slice this lemon, and yeah, just keep washing. So I'm just going to slice this lemon into tiny pieces, nicely sliced. Once that is done, I'm going to put it inside my pot here. I'm going to put all that inside. Okay, so I'm putting I'm just going to add in 1 spoon of my grounded ginger, and I bring it to boil. That's a lot, man. Yeah, very simple. I'll just leave it open, and then I'll bring it to boil. Once it's boiled, once it just bubbled, you know, you just need to off the gas and you strain that water and you drink it up. Also, it's boiling. Once it's boiled, just off the gas, and then you can add some lemon. I like to drink it very hot, so I'm just going to strain that into a cup. I'm just going to strain that. Not yet. Once it's done, guys, yeah, this is your tea ready for you to take. Let me have a taste of this. So nice. Okay guys, if you enjoy watching this video, please do not leave without giving this video a thumbs up And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do not leave without doing so as well, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos you will get notified, you get to watch them, guys, because I'll be bringing you everything and anything. Like, I'm about everything, right? Okay guys, so I'll see you again in my next video. Do have a great day. Bye.